It's really interesting to study about sound. Sound is made of frequencies, made of decibels. So we have decibels to measure the loudness and the softness of the sound, and we have frequencies to describe if the sound is low or it's high. Like for example, if we hold the guitar here, you can see that it's low. When you speak fat voice, it's low frequencies. When you speak high voice, it's high frequencies, high, low, right? That's how you, thank you so much. So that's low, high. It's not same, like I can say, hi everyone, how are you today? Are you good? Good afternoon. Today we are studying math, and if I speak from here, hi everyone, today we're going to study science chapter 12, it's about sound, right? But here, fact, right? It's low. That's how you describe sound. Sound is a big deal. Low and high or soft. Shh, speak soft because the baby's sleeping. And if you speak loud, that's loud. I'm screaming, help! I need help! Alright, I'm screaming help! But if I speak softly because the baby is sleeping, shh, hush, alright? Okay, sound is interesting, guys. I love sound.